So, I have become a bird lady over the last few years. I didn't ask for this, they've coaxed me, and now I feel like a Disney princess every day. Look how sweet he or she is, all spread out to cover their babes from the rain. Dare I say, do it, lady. Okay, this is the part where I should probably caution you that poop is a comin', just in case you didn't see the title of this video. Interesting fact that I feel like I should have learned before a few years ago. Most baby birds' poop comes out in little sacks for the parents to grab and drop elsewhere. I have luckily not been hit yet. And then there are some birds who don't clean the poop out of the nest, such as house finches, who are very quick, as well as shy and dirty. Aw, look at the little replicas in the rain. Oh, but what's this? The combination of the rain and my love for the birds must have helped encourage these two stained glass Lockharts with key charms to grow. Now available at the Glass Umbrella shop on Etsy. Thank you.